For those of you that have been following me for a while, you know that last year I put a video out saying that everything needed to change, and so many of you guys commented, get a food truck. Now the problem with a food truck is they're just so expensive. You're looking at dropping minimum 20k to get something that's got all the equipment and you can drive around in. The other thing is they're just not that cool, a lot of them. They're sort of like transit vans that have been reconverted, and well, they're not really me. Now, if I spend that sort of money on a food truck, then it means that I have to trade every day, and I'll be making food rather than making food content, which is what Food Busker's all about, right? It's about food stories and sharing with you my passion for the world of food. I guess what I've realised is that I've got to have a go at this. I cannot not have a go at this. I've got to have a go at creating a Food Busker food truck. Even if I fail, I need to give it a crack, you know? I need to have given it a really good crack of the whip, and I think that with the bacon series that I've just done and your support, I think together we can find a way to create a Food Busker food truck. So this is the beginning of the Food Busker food truck series, and I've got somewhere pretty cool to start looking. Follow me. I'm off to Kent in South England to a business called Raccoon that know everything about food trucks and reckon they can help me out. Hey Sue, how you doing?
John, good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Tackle weights.
Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this!
It's a little bit tight, but oh my god.
Holy shit, where are you sitting?
Well, I'm on your lap.
Hilarious. Oh, this has got good this one's a good size, right? It's got like, you've got the griddle pan here, it's got the fridges underneath, it's got good shelving. Problem is, it's not cool enough though, do you know what I mean? Food Busker boss! Needs a bit of work though. Big though. I love it. It's too small. Problem is with the VWs, where am I going to put the kitchen? So Tom, what's this?
It's a horse box.
I know that. Yeah, but what's it doing here?
I don't know, we've just got it in. It's just sitting there, really.
I've got an idea. Right, let's get it down. This could be it. Tom, I've got a good feeling about this.